Today, I'm gonna show you how to make kids videos for your own YouTube channel with some help from AI. Here's the game plan. First, we'll use ChatGPT to whip up a story with a super simple prompt. Next, we'll create the images in RenderNet using Magic Mode, and I'll get into the style we'll be using in just a bit. Then, we'll bring the scenes to life with Leonardo Motion for that extra bit of dynamism. The narrator's voiceover will be done with 11 laps. We'll cook up some music with Suno, and finally, we wrap it all with CapCut. Stick around till the end of the video to catch the whole process and the final product. You'll see it's a piece of cake. Let's go! Let's start with the story creation with ChatGPT. This first bit is actually optional. In fact, a few months ago, I made up a story based on a tale I created with my little 4-year-old. I've dropped the link in the description. But if you're kinda lost on how to tackle this part, ChatGPT is your go-to buddy. I'm on version 4, but it works just fine with 3.5 or any other generation model. Here's the prompt we're going to use. You are a children's story writer for kids aged between 3 and 5 years, and I want you to write a story that narrates the tale of a child who dreamed of being a fish to be able to swim through the sea. The story consists of 5 scenes, each lasting between 4 and 8 seconds, with a sentence narrated by a voiceover, and the story must have an introduction, a climax, and a conclusion with a moral include at the end, all within the 5 scenes. So here's the ChatGPT take, and I'm going to leave you in the description so you can take a look, or you can just generate your own one. Now let's generate the images with RenderNet. I've already talked about how to do it using Magic Mode on the channel, so let's jump straight to the style and prompt. We choose Cute Cartoon Mode and 1:1 aspect ratio, and type in the following prompt to create our character. The face of a young boy, dark short hair and brown eyes. Hit generate and wait for our images to be ready. Pick the one you like the best, and that's our reference character. To lock his face across the rest of the story, we click on it and then select Face Lock. Time for the first scene. We change the aspect ratio to 3:2 and use this prompt. A young boy with dark short hair sleeping in his bed. The bedroom is decorated with sea motifs. Generate the images again and pick your favorite. Repeat the process for the rest of the scenes, and, well, I left all the prompts in the video description. Remember, if there's anything you don't like, remember you can tweak it with Change It. I've shown you how in another video. And now let's animate those scenes. We are doing it with Leonardo Motion. Super easy. We upload the image, choose how much movement we want, and generate it. Wait a bit, and we've got our 5 clips of 4 seconds each. Now for the voices, this is probably the easiest part of the process. We head over to 11 laps. Pick a voice and generate the narration that ChatGPT helped us with earlier. That's 5 clips that we'll then put together in CapCut. Almost done, just need to create the background music and do the final montage. So for the music, we're off to Suno. We choose to create a new song and pop in a prompt something like this. Relaxing near the sea, chill style. We turn on the instrumental option since we don't want any more voices and hit generate. Wait a few seconds and voila! Now CapCut, where we'll put together each scene, and then we can stretch out clips using freeze or reverse, add transitions, and even generate subtitles. And there you have it. Our video is ready.
In a cozy little house by the sea lived Jamie, who every night dreamed of swimming with the fishes, gliding under the waves. One magical night, a friendly starfish appeared in Jamie's dream, offering a wish. Excited, Jamie wished, "I want to be a fish." With a twinkle, Jamie transformed, diving into the ocean's depths, exploring coral kingdoms, and dancing with dolphins under the moonlit sea. But as dawn neared, Jamie missed home. The starfish reappeared, asking, "Ready to return?" With a nod, Jamie was back, snuggled in bed. Waking up, Jamie realized the beauty of dreams and adventures, but also the value of where you belong. There's no place like home, Jamie thought, with a smile.
What do you think? We've used a bunch of different tools and prompts. I left all the info in the comments, so drop a comment on what you thought and tell me about your projects and what you'd like me to cover in future videos. Tekala signing off. Bye bye, guys.